Russian updated and strengthened Ilyushin Il-76MD-90A military transport aircraft. It's about the Ilyushin IL-76 is a multi-purpose, fixed-wing, four-engine turbofan strategic transport aircraft designed by the Soviet Union's Ilyushin Design Bureau as a commercial freighter. Through the Ilyushin Aviation Complex, a subsidiary of the United Aircraft Corporation, it renewed and increased production of the Ilyushin Il-76MD-90A military transport aircraft. The Il-76MD-90A series aircraft is a modernized version of the Soviet Il-76 transport aircraft. The wings have been strengthened. The more powerful PS-90A-76 engines have been installed. The chassis with a more energy-intensive braking system has been strengthened. The onboard digital radio installed. The aircraft is designed to deliver heavy equipment to remote, underserved areas. The military version of the Il-76 has been widely used in Europe, Asia and Africa, including as an aerial refueling tanker or command center. The Il-76 has seen extensive service as a commercial freighter for cargo sent by road, especially for oversized or heavy goods that could not be transported by other means. It has also been used as emergency response transportation for civilian evacuations as well as for humanitarian assistance and disaster relief around the world. Because of its ability to operate from unpaved runways, it has been useful in undeveloped areas. Special models have also been produced for aerial and zero-G firefighting training.